Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix runtime errors of new Windows. So I'm just going to share to you a very simple resolution for this. So let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar right here, type CMD, which stands for command prompt. In the right pane, click on run as administrator. Now here in the command prompt with administrative rights, type this command sfc // scan now, hit enter. So this is the system file checker scan. This will fix any corrupted system files, and this will also check for integrity violations. So while the process is going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize. So for now, let's just wait for this in a while so that we can run the next command after it. Okay, so let's just wait for this. Now once done, type in here the second command is dism /online /cleanup dash image /restore health. It's dism /online /cleanup dash image /restore health. Hit enter. So this will repair your Windows image. So while the process is going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize, but again, do not close the window. Then while you are in a process and you are getting stuck at a certain percentage, here's a tip. Just continuously press the space key on your keyboard. That will help the process to continue, and once the process has been 100% successful or completed, then you just need to simply close out of here. Finally, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.